Public comment? Okay,
Yes,
sorry.
Mr. Murray. Sam Dene.
Sam Dene, the Encyclopedia of Reno Government. And I figured this issue is important enough for at least one person in this community of 300,000 people to have the interest to come to the podium and say something about it. And I'll be very brief in my measly 3 minutes anyway. I met with Mr. Kazmierski. Took me a few days to learn how to pronounce that, but I got it down now. Mr. Kazmierski has come to town and he's running EDON. And if I got one thing out of that meeting with him, he wants to provide jobs for this community. He wants to provide good jobs. And I have nothing against the previous leader over there at EDON, but I never quite heard him be so adamant about that. And he said, Mr. Kazmierski, Mike said, he wants them to be quality jobs, just not a bunch of jobs. And by the way, it just so happened by coincidence that during that meeting, a man who was that close, about a couple thousand missing votes away from being the mayor of Reno, leading this whole meeting, he happened to show up there just by coincidence. So Mr. Kazmierski had a chance to meet this very talented Marine Corps veteran. And guess what? That man was that close to being the mayor of Reno, and he doesn't even have a job. How do you answer something like that? So close to being the mayor of Reno. I wonder what would have happened if Mayor Cashel had not been elected and that other guy had won. Would Mayor Cashel be without a job? What are the chances of that? It's hard to get a job in this town. And this EDON thing is even more important than it's ever been before because, according to the media just this morning, gambling in this community is really on the downhill slide. Las Vegas is recovering like it's never recovered in history relative to its gambling capabilities. And Reno area gambling statistics were way down. So we're really going to need something to cover up for that lost revenue, for those jobs that might be thrown out there in the street. So I'm behind this man, and I'm hoping that Tahoe Reno Industrial Complex can become viable. It needs to be pushed more. And as I understand this deal here, they're going to vote as to whether or not to let you people join that operation over there. And that seems like a no-brainer. How do you not bring the gurus into that thing and really push this thing hard?